Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Today we come back with my another nephew car, okay? I have so many cousins, mates, don't worry. Anyways, this is the Honda Accord 2009 V6 3.5 liter VTEC VCM, what the hell, I have no idea. Anyway, nephew cars go to work and oh shit, it's raining. I have to wind up his windows, man. Anyway, the window's the key here. He went to work by train today. Anyway, not a good day for do the car, man. Wind up the windows. Okay, yesterday he rang me and got a problem with the power steering pumps, I mean, and noisy. And I will tell him top up the oil, and he will have to drive here and leave the car here for me to check and have a look, see what exactly what happened. And I inspection there is using oil. So normally on the Honda Accord 2006 down to 2008 down, I mean the CL9, they have the same higher pressure houses, because the newer model like 2008 up to like my CU2, it never using the power steering pump no more. It's using electrics, but this one is still using the old school. But normally on the Honda, any Honda V6 or 4-cylinder, the pumps always make whining noise. Every now and then you have to replace the second-hand one, but replace the genuine one. But if you replace the Chinese aftermarket, it's last you 1 or 2 weeks and the noise will come back again. But it still work, just the noise. It's not as good as original one. And here is the oil for the, see, I tell him top up the oil for the power steering pump that goes here and here. Anyway, I check and the oil run down here for long term. See the crack out the belt, see the drive belt in there, you can see down there, it been cracked out and out. So once you do that, you replace this one first before you replace the new drive belt. Already order the drive belt, and this one ordered yesterday. Now just turn up, and now I'm gonna put them on for him. 6-cylinder or 4-cylinder, they all about the same, on the same location where the houses go. The easy way for you to do is take off the wheels on this side, check the car up, and make sure you put on the stand. Okay, I get 19 please. See the oil run everywhere in there. See it's wet. And when you do that, you take up this side, you can enter your hand there and crawl underneath there. Much easy for you to do. Last year my brother bought this car for him, and it got the bumper bar cracked and broken, and passenger side, driver side bumper is gone, so I have to order a new one and repair the front bumper and paint them for him. But I have no time for the side one. Who cares? I'm a lazy man. Anyway, take up the on one side, all the brakes and everything still good, because I've been serviced every now and then. Just about 1 year ago, the V6 engine, very good power off the mark. And yeah, actually it have a lot of power. Old car now start using oil. Do you see the oil running down and wet all here? It's very wet, see, super wet. What I do is clean up. And after we put the new houses on, and we have to do clean up. So now I have to take off my Aussie hat here, put up here. I don't want dirty my hat, and I start to crawl underneath and have a look where the main house for that, for the pump. You are not sure how to do it, order the new line online order the new line, and then try to see with a lazy way for you to go. And it's about there. We might just have to replace this one, instead of when you buy the kit they give you this one as well. So nothing wrong with this one, man. This one never crack out, man. Anyway, we go underneath and try to get some tools, try to take number 10 off this one and follow that one and go underneath and pull the whole lot out, and leave that rack there just in case when you pull out and the oil will go everywhere. Just save some now. You want the quick open or slow open, up to you. Get number 10 there, and one there. You see the holes on the top here, only one that holding here. one here and one here, and one of this one is holding right there. So now we go underneath and take up and pull it out. You can pull from the bottom out or from the top up to you. You see, when you take it off, make sure you put the bracket back on the right way so you can put it back together. The torch, man, is a little bit dark today. You can see a lot of oil. I just cleaned some out. See, I took up and a lot of oil spit everywhere, and here too. And I can't imagine, man, never have we been smelled the oil so many years, and with this smell, he never tell me. We've been go underneath and looking for something. We've been nothing we can touch it or nothing we can do. That's impossible. If you replace the oil power steering pump, you have to shake it up the frames. No way in the world, man. I couldn't do that way. So what I could do is I go up there and follow the instruction of mine. You will see, follow this house here and go underneath, and then the sensor and attack there. But you want to get your hand behind there to take that one up. Behind there to take that one up. All we do is do from here, and what I would do is take up this one so I can enter my hand in backward here, and I can try to take some out if I could. Okay, let's see which is easy way for me. 14 and 17 this one, and you can sneak your very short small number 10 tools in here and you can take it up. So when you move this one, you can have your hand reach any underwear you want here if you want to take it up. Okay, to me, I take it up much easy for me. Now you can see a little bit better when we take it up, and then stick your head in and undo this one, and see the house here. Take this one out. See this one? Take number 10 here. You don't have to touch nothing there. Okay, we don't have to touching the bottom house. Just take this one out, and here we go. We got a shifter. Put your hand in here. Can reach, and I feel, and I think that one using number 14. And all you have to do is just go in there. It's behind this house here, and just try to turn without holding anything yet. First, you can feel it here. You can feel that one right there. See where my hand is? Here we go. Go in number 14, okay? And do from there. I showed down the shifter I got here. I go in here holding the top house, and try to holding the top house in here by my hand and open up. See, behind here is the top houses. Bit of patience this one, so I do the shortcut. I don't have to go over the other side. Take off the other one. It's very long, and take very long to go over there that end, and it with me more harder job over there. So I do it, try to sneak hand behind here. Whatever I do here is the super lazy way. If you guys out there got the same car, will give you very headache. See, want to grip in like that, and now I can go here with shifter number 14. And when I go online, I can turn the back on him. Turn the back on me, mate. Oh, someone can get in. Someone can get in. It's hard, man. Little bit of bottle and hold in here and turn out. Now it's still hot and it's working, so I save my time for just take this one off and replace in no time. Okay, just now we take it off because the bolt's still hot, and you can have your hand in there and undo them, so you don't have to sneak around. Now pick that bomb up and swap the sensor over, and you can put everything back in. Sensor, make sure it's still got the old ring seal here. DVD, just put a mark on, okay? See there, just put it there. Same way out, same way in. And number 19. And if you want to make sure, lock tight, okay? Okay, now we slide this one down. All we do is follow that one and slide down with the away. And this one will be go in there, and we are bingo for this one. Don't have to worry about this one. This one throw away. Quick way is from there. Okay, now we put the bottom one on first, and then the line on the bottom, the top one line last. Put on very easily. Put your two hands on, one holding the hoses, and one holding the hoses and one turn on, which you can see like this. See, and two hands and balance and turn. That's it. I think I can put the sensor wire in. So I go that way. And now this one, I just need to do by hand, man. Not so ridiculous when it's in the car for so long. And it's have a lot of pressure and all the seats on. It's seated and that's why it's very hot. But when you got outside like this, when you got drawn on, should be easy. Just firm by turning as hard as you can, because if the line is on the groove itself and it will seal up the oil, so wouldn't be have to be super hard, man. Don't have to be super hard, okay? One hard turn. Come on, man. Someone stop, come and see me, please. I'm busy with this car, man. Okay, I'm done. And now we go on the top. We can put this one on. See? Okay, clean my hand. Very dirty, man. Very dirty, man. And in here, it's already have the O-ring, so you don't worry. Pick up some oil from here. Wet the O-ring, man, because I'm too lazy to go and get the oil. So what I do is dip my hand in there and go in there, go like that, and slide this one on and put them on evenly. Make sure the O-ring seal is on. Our seal is on. See? And one last thing, don't dirty your Australian hat. Don't dirty it. Be careful. Don't dirty it, mate. One last thing is just the brackets. Just go and grab the brackets and put it back here. And you're gonna have your number 10 in. And you are go to the moon, please, brother. We are go to the moon together. And I'm happy like a happy cow. Happy cows. Okay. Make sure put a bit of tension. A bit of strong here. I want strong, okay? How you get out? How you get back in, mate? And remember how to take it out and put it back, and we'll be alright. So the hardest one is the top one here. Hard one is the top one is sneak in here. It's very hard to get out. So this one, the top one will go in first, okay? When you get out something that's stuck here, go first and go all along there. Okay, on there and go down. Okay, go down. Go along there, go there, okay. Okay, go there, go in there, go out, go into the pumps. Okay, we got this one there. Okay, got it. So if you want to make sure you check the correct number, if they are correct, you'll be right. And then you can screen, they look similar. So keep it there. And check the pulley. All good. The pulley is still good. So put this one down to here. Okay, the reason I don't put the wheels back on because I might have to go underneath and use my hand, put the pulleys on the belt on the pulleys. All by myself, okay? All by myself. Shit. Okay. Let's do other way, man. They keep coming out. Keep coming out. And we started up. See any oil leak before we put the wheel back in? Or maybe sometimes you have to secure your tie the bolt there. So I best way is move all the tools out. And I started up and check inspection for any leak before I put the wheel there on and let go. So how does that sound? The car done nearly 267,000 K, and the engine still running really good. For everyone who got the same car, the Honda, the engine lasts really good. Very regularly when you're checking every old car like this, every 3 months, please check the oil level. See the oil level here? And this one, they got the mark here. You can see. I leave for 20 seconds, let all the oil go down. And then we can test the oil again. Other way, the engine goes really good. Happy with the way it go now. And top up water for him just in case he run out of water sometime. And do double checking again, and he happy to take the car go. But if anyone who wants to have the power steering like this one, want to replace power steering pressure hose, they call pressure hose. When you buy them, it comes this piece here, and the piece I holding on my hand here, and this one go over along there, go around there, and sneak behind here. But if you do that, you have no hand to reach to undo all this one. The lazy way to do is go underneath and get something grab hold on the old one where the oil pressure sensor is, and number 14 here. Put some heat. Better get the heat torch. Heat it up about 20 seconds. Always heat in the boat here. Don't heat somewhere else. Heat here and it get very hot. And number 14, you turn very lightly and it will come up. It never lets you down. You do my way, lazy way, should work. That's the reason they're selling this one, just because, just in case someone who can't turn and open, they just cut the bastard here and they pull it out, or they have to take chasing the whole way out. But I try my lazy way, it works today, so I'm happy. I'm happy cows. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon Tools, and I hope you guys see what Simon do, and hope it help you how to replace and keep the car running very well for many more Ks. I believe this car, the engine will run, never die, if you put an eye on oil, water, oil, water, and keep going like rocket, go forever. Really good looking car, actually, like a $3,500 car. $3,500 car, my nephew cars. It's not bad. It's the Honda Accord V6 3.5, really good. Just a bit of the dents at the back there, but actually the car good, really good nick and look really luxurious with the sunroof, leather seat, very nice actually inside. See, $3,500 car, and I fixed for my nephew. And now just put an eye on oil and water, and you can go anywhere you want. Let's pack up and go sleep.